If you are looking for gluten-free treats, try this easy melt-in-your-mouth Uraro or Arrowroot cookie recipe using a turbo oven. In a large mixing bowl, put together 200 grams of softened butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar using a hand or stand mixer. Add half teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Then beat in the eggs one at a time. Cream the ingredients together until the mixture is light and fluffy. Occasionally scrape the sides if needed. Set aside. In another large bowl, sift together 3 cups of arrowroot flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Whisk until everything is mixed well. Gradually stir in the wet ingredients. Mix until everything has come together, forming a soft dough. It is now time to form the cookies. If you have cookie press, feel free to use it. Otherwise, get half tablespoon of the dough and roll it on your hand. Put in a round non-stick baking pan. Press the dough using the back of a fork. Place them at least an inch apart to give the cookies room as they expand. In a preheated turbo oven, bake at 150 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. The result will be delicate, powdery, and melt-in-your-mouth cookies because arrowroot has very low gluten content. Hit the subscribe button and get notified for updates.